Hi guys, I am going to read newspaper if you have a time, so you should also try to read in English newspaper. Man arrested for stealing 11 high-end bicycles in Dwarka. A 24-year-old vagabond man has been arrested by the Delhi police after he stole 11 high-end bicycles for making his ends meet in North Dwarka area. The police told the pioneer that despite the bikes he stole, pricing between Rs 18,000 to Rs 33,000. He sold some of them for less than Rs 5,000 in desperation for money for food. He used to sell some bikes by asking for Rs 2,000 to Rs 3,000 from the buyer and stating that he is in desperate need of money. He used to promised that he would return the money and take the bicycle back. These cycles are on the expensive side, costing around 18,000 to 33,000. A senior police official said the man, identified as Selvin Wilson, was in his teenage when his father, who works as an ADHOC driver with a government agency, left his family and started living separately to earn a living. The accused left his studies after ninth class from a government school and started work as a helper in office. However, in 2023 he lost that work also and about to months back after a quarrel at home with his mother due to not having any work. He left his home. He started living as a vagabond. After some time, he started stealing high-end bicycles and selling them to prospective buyers for food and his daily needs. Upon receiving a number of fires regarding the stealing of bicycles in the area, the police gathered a team and technical and manual efforts were being made. A senior police official said that every spot of crime was being investigated and CCTV coverage was being analyzed to garner clues about criminals. Previous offenders and listed criminals were being watched from one of the sports. Relevant CCTV coverage was discovered, which was followed from point to point, and the head route was followed. Specific features like built-edge gate of the thief was observed. Accordingly, beat staff and the crack team of the police station were sanitized. Efforts bore fruits in the form of apprehension of habitual bicycle lifters. He said the accused was arrested when on area patrolling. A police team apprehended him near Park Sector 12 in Dwarka with a stolen bicycle. While patrolling, they noticed a person on a bicycle coming towards them, but sensing police presence, he turned back and tried to flee. However, the police quickly acted and apprehended him. On inquiry, he revealed his name as Selvin Wilson and was unable to tell about the particulars and ownership of his bicycle. On verification, the bicycle was found stolen from Dwarka North Police Station. Accordingly, legal action was initiated and investigation taken up. During interrogation, the accused disclosed stealing a number of number of bicycles. He was taken into police custody and further 8 stolen bicycles were recovered at his instances. Deputy Commissioner of Police Ankit Singh, he added that from his arrest his arrest 11 cases of bicycle theft have been worked out and no previous cases have been registered against the 24-year-old. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.